When you have no money, I want you to do this one thing. It's just a really simple visualization technique that will change your life. It will change the subconscious images that you're projecting that are controlling your financial experience. So, quite simply, do this when you have no money. This very simple visualization. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com. Hit the like button right over there on this side, right over there on this side, and let's dive right into this video. Now, when you have no money, what tends to happen is a subconscious loop plays in your mind. It's often associated through images. It might be you keep seeing over and over again your bank account with no money in it. Maybe you just overdrafted and it was really stressful, so the emotion of that, a dominant emotion, has fired and wired in the cells of your brain. You've activated those brain cells of lack and poverty so many times that they keep flashing on repeat. Maybe you keep seeing or feeling the experience of not being able to pay your rent. This type of image replays. Well, here's the exciting thing. Your mind works in images and it's reprogrammed through repetition. The easiest and fastest visualization technique to actually start to literally create money in your life is what I call the record player technique. Now, I was about 21 years old. I was making a little less than $2,000 a month. My wife was in credit card debt because I wasn't making enough to continually support us, and she wasn't making enough, so she went into credit card debt for groceries and a lot of basic things. And so we weren't in the most ideal place. And so I was frustrated with it. And I kept replaying the images of what I didn't want over and over and over again. See, it's one thing to know that you want money, but it's another thing to make your image-making power of your mind match your desires. I wanted money, yet my mind was way down here in the gutter, imagining the bad things that I didn't want over and over and over again. Your mind has the tendency to magnify whatever is going on in your present environment, whether it's good or bad. Whatever has the most emotional intensity tends to get repeated in your mind. So I realized that if I wanted to reprogram my subconscious, I was gonna have to do it with a quick and easy technique. I termed it the record player technique. So what I did is I created this scenario from the end, just saying to myself, if I were to accomplish my goals and I started making a lot of money, what would happen? Like, what would a day look like? And when I really thought about it, it was like videos going viral. I never had videos go viral before. I was always on an uphill battle on the internet. Things weren't ever really taking off. And I kept replaying that stress. And so I said, well, what would happen if the opposite happened? What would an imaginary scenario look like? And I was thinking, like, what would be the most fantasy land scenario? And it would be me walking to my computer, sitting down at my desk, refreshing the mouse. And when I refresh the mouse, the black screen turns to color. Then I hit the refresh button on the Safari or Google Chrome browser. And when I hit that, it refreshes my YouTube analytics. And all of a sudden I had all these subscribers, and all of a sudden I had all these comments, and all of a sudden I was making all this money, and all of a sudden I was getting all this website traffic, and I was getting tens of thousands of people visiting my website every day or every week. And then it would be me looking at it and like kind of being clueless, like, oh my gosh, what happened? My videos went viral. And then yelling to my wife, Ashley, you won't believe it. My videos just went viral. I just got 1 million views. And it would be this kind of scenario like that, right? So what I did is I wrote it down on a piece of paper. And what I started doing was practicing mentally rehearsing it. So if I got a huge financial breakthrough, if I got a surprising and unexpected financial breakthrough, what would it look like? And that's what I want you to ask yourself. Mentally rehearse a very small snippet. Don't make it a big 10-hour or 10-minute long scenario. Make it a short scenario that's 5 to 30-second scenario that you can keep replaying in your head during a visualization. The reason is your subconscious works in images, and whatever is repeatedly impressed upon the subconscious expresses itself in your financial life. So your financial impressions express themselves in your bank account. And so you just simply mentally rehearse. Let's say you're a real estate agent. And what would it look like if you all of a sudden were the number one, over the next 12 months, you became the number one salesperson at your brokerage? What would it look like? Well, maybe it would look like you have all these texts from clients thanking you. Maybe it would look like you have $1.2 million in your bank account. Maybe it would look like you were having a party celebrating your success. Maybe it would look like your plaque with your picture was hanging up on the wall at the brokerage and it said number one sales agent of the year. And your boss was calling you up in front of all 50 real estate agents at the brokerage and announcing you as the winner of this year's sales contest, and you got a free trip to Tahiti for it. Whatever it is, in a scenario like that, it might be that you're a dentist and you just bought somebody's business that had a successful business and they're retiring. So now your name is on the window and now you have an assistant answering the phones and you're so busy, you're sitting in a meeting hiring 2 other dental hygienists to come work because you're so busy. Now all of a sudden you have passive income. Other people are working and your business is getting a cut for it. Maybe it looks like you have an internet business and you keep refreshing the Google Analytics and oh my gosh, you're getting like 1 million views every single month to your website now. That's like 50 times higher than it was this time last year. And you're refreshing your PayPal and the sales keep going up and up and up and up and up. And it's exciting. So what I want you to do as the first step is to ask yourself, what would the end look like in a hypothetical scenario? The end meaning your desired outcome. So ask yourself, what would it look like? The second step is I want you to describe it by writing it down. There is a power in writing it down, part of which is just helping you hone the mental images so then you can practice them in the visualization. So you write it down in a few sentences. And then the third step is to do the record player visualization technique once per day. If you want for extra credit, do it twice a day, in the morning and at night. You especially want to do it at night because at night your conscious mind shuts off and you have direct access to the subconscious. So in the record player technique, all you're going to do, because we have short attention spans as humans, you've simplified the end result into a small snippet. Mine was sitting down at the computer, shaking the mouse on the browser, refreshing the thing. Oh my gosh, my videos are going viral. Ashley, you won't believe it. And yelling to Ashley. And I would just rehearse it over and over in my head until I got excited about it, until it felt real, until the images, every day you get clearer and clearer images, clearer and clearer and clearer. Just like when you take a picture on a Polaroid and it takes like a couple minutes and it gets clearer and clearer and clearer. This is what's happening in your mind, in your subconscious every day as you do the record player technique. So every day I just am practicing, seeing, refreshing the browser, seeing them go viral, and I'm seeing it. I'm hearing other people talking to me. I'm feeling Ashley squeezing me and kissing me and saying, yay, we did it, we did it. And I'm seeing that over and over. It's starting to make me excited. It's making me smile even with my mouth closed. Even with my eyes closed, my mouth is still smiling. I feel it. Feeling is the secret. The goal of the record player technique is when you get up and you open your eyes again, you feel different than you did before you sat down. You feel more light, more excited, more confident, more certain that money is headed your way. And as you do this every day, an amazing thing will happen. Eventually, your outside world will match that repetitive image that you are suggesting to your subconscious mind. It will actually happen in your life. I swear to God, that's what happened to me. I did this record player technique. I wasn't getting the results in the outside environment yet. Ashley and I went camping, and we were at no cell service. So we went camping for a couple days. Then I had to come back to use a coffee shop internet from the woods. So we drove into town. We went to the coffee shop. I got my computer because I had to publish a YouTube video, right? So I sit down and we get the Wi-Fi code. Picture this, we walk in, there's a little circular table, I walk over, I get the Wi-Fi code, I open my computer, Ashley's in line getting us some teas, and I'm getting ready to publish my video real quick and get my work done. So I go over, I open it up, I shake the little thingy-majigger to make the screen come on, out of sleep mode, and I type in the Wi-Fi password, I hit the refresh button, and oh my gosh, I have like 15,000 new YouTube subscribers, and I have the little red notification bell has hundreds of notifications, and I'm like, oh my gosh. So I hit it, and I realized a couple of my videos that had been published weeks ago randomly started going viral. I went and I refreshed into my online sales. Oh my gosh, my online sales were huge. There's a bunch of money in my PayPal account. And I get up, and there's a bunch of people in the restaurant, so I'm not yelling, but I calmly walk over to Ashley and I say, you won't believe it, come here. She comes over and I tell her. And we're like, oh my gosh! And that was what happened. Like a variation of what I played in my mind actually happened in my life. You have to understand, everything in your life, finances included, everything in the outside world is a mirror reflection off the images you impress upon your subconscious mind. So, give this mental rehearsal record player technique a try. When you have no money, a very simple finance and money visualization to start to attract more money into your life. So this is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com. If you want to supercharge this, I have a free success hypnosis right there down below. It's JakesHypnosis.com. It's in the description in the comments right there down below. And it's a free success hypnosis that I made for myself while I would do this record player technique. I would just listen to it quietly to help focus my consciousness and my senses towards my record player image that I was creating. Mine was the refreshing the browser and all those good things happening. So I'd play this hypnosis, close my eyes, and I would do this for 5 to 10 minutes in the morning and every night. And I went from where I told you I was at 21 to being almost a multi-millionaire, well over $1 million net worth by the time I turned 29, which I just turned 29 a month or two ago. And I don't share that to brag. I share that because the exact thing I did in the record player technique happened. So just imagine what could happen to you if you have the discipline to try this for the next 21 days to build the habit in your brain. So check out JakesHypnosis.com. It's free. It's in the description in the comments right there down below. That's JakesHypnosis.com. Try that for free to utilize with the record player technique. Now, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button right over there on this side, right over there on this side. Subscribe and bell notification. The bell notification is what notifies you for new videos. So even if you already subscribed a month ago, just double check you hit the bell notification. If you think this channel, if I do a good job, if this is inspiring and uplifting, one of the ways you can support my channel more than anything is to share this video. Text it to someone, email it to someone, put it on social media, and let's try to get as many people to wake up to the power of their mind, to control their financial life, to create financial freedom so they can be more generous, to uplift their communities, and really just have the best life possible. I think we could create a more enlightened world if we could all realize the power of our minds. So when you have no money, use this money visualization technique. I can't wait to hear about the great things that head your way. Leave a comment down below that says, money comes to me easily and quickly. Leave a comment down below that says, money comes to me easily and quickly. And be sure to use this for 21 days. Come back and leave a comment and let me know of the success that comes into your life from using this quick and easy money visualization to attract wealth.